Hello everyone and welcome to TNB Academy. Today's session is all about measuring training effectiveness, but not just any way. We are diving deep into ISO 10015, the global standard that brings a structure, strategy and results to your organization's training process. Now let me ask you a quick question. You are investing time, money and effort into training, but how do you know it is actually working? That is exactly what we will uncover in this video. So grab your notes because by the end of this session, you will know exactly how to measure, analyze and improve your training programs using the powerful ISO 10015 framework. What is ISO 10015? Before we dive into metrics and tools, let's quickly revisit what ISO 10015 is. ISO 10015 is a guideline for training that helps organizations ensure their workforce is competent and the training provided actually aligns with business goals. It is not just about conducting training. It is about identifying the real needs, planning the right programs, delivering effectively and evaluating the results properly. Today we are focusing on that last pillar, evaluation, because this is where the ROI really shows up. Why measuring training effectiveness matters? Let's be real. Training without evaluation is like driving blind. You are moving but you don't know if you are headed in the right direction. Here is why measuring training effectiveness is crucial. It shows if learning objectives were achieved, it ensures training aligns with organizational goals, it justifies the cost and effort of training, it identifies gaps for continuous improvement. ISO 10015 puts a strong emphasis on objective, data-driven evaluation, which takes your training from guesswork to growth. The 4-step ISO 10015 training process. Let's briefly recall the 4 key steps of ISO 10015 because effectiveness is tied to the entire cycle. Training needs analysis, that is TNA, knowing what skills or knowledge are lacking. Training design and planning, selecting the right content, method and audience. Training implementation, delivering the training. Training evaluation, checking whether the training achieved its objectives. We will now zoom into the evaluation phase because measuring effectiveness comes right at the end but is connected to the start. Linking back to training needs. Evaluation isn't just about looking at results. It is also about checking if the original need was met. This is called closing the loop. Ask yourself, did the training solve the problem identified in the TNA? If not, why? Was the delivery poor? Were the objectives unclear? ISO 10015 wants organizations to continuously refine their training strategy by linking evaluation back to the original training need. Continuous improvement through evaluation. Here is the beauty of ISO 10015. It doesn't just stop at evaluation. Once you have the data, you use it to adjust future training plans, improve training content or methods, rethink trainer selection, re-evaluate learning needs. This creates a cycle of improvement, which enhances employee performance and business results over time. In short, we can say that ISO 10015 makes training a strategic asset, not just a checklist activity. Common mistakes to avoid. Let's be honest, many companies still get this wrong. Here are some common pitfalls. No clear learning objectives is equals to no way to measure. Only measuring satisfaction is equals to incomplete evaluation, and not tracking on-the-job impact is equal to missed ROI. No follow-up after training is equals to no long-term change. ISO 10015 gives you the structure to avoid these if you apply it consistently. Let's wrap it up with the key takeaways. Training must be planned with measurement in mind. Use a multi-level evaluation model to assess different outcomes. Always link back to original needs and business results. Continuously improve based on what the data tells you. ISO 10015 isn't just about doing training. It is about doing effective, impactful and strategic training that drives real change. If you have found this session helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to TNB Academy for more deep insights on ISO standards and organizational excellence. And I, Akanksha Mishra, will see you in the next session of TNB Academy.